doesn't. I am Cash, for those of you who don't know me. If you do know me, hi, welcome back. Thank you for being here again. Yeah, this one's a little different today. I decided to go back to my old style of cooking. I'm on vacation and I came to visit my person. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's okay. You may find out soon enough. And I decided that I wanted to make a cake, and so I don't have all the ingredients, so I just bought a box cake, and it's French vanilla, and I'm gonna do like a crazy like Oreo vanilla cake. So if you want to see what I'm gonna make, hang out, grab a snack, and let's get to it. Vanilla Cake monstrosity, whatever you want to call this. You saw I just threw the Oreos on top at the end. I'm gonna stick this in the fridge for about 3 hours so I can make sure it's fully cooled down. Let's do that now. And if you're still here, thank you. I appreciate your eyes. Go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up if you liked this video. If you have any questions or want to get a conversation started, go ahead and comment down below. And if you'd like to see more of me and more things that I'm gonna get into and whatever, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.